Well, hi. New face shields came in. Boy, do they look good. All I want to do is I want to show you how to put these on. That's the goal. So, first thing you want to do, you're going to want to roll it up so you don't mess up your hair. Then, tuck it under your chin. Fully extend it. You're going to grab right near the eyes. Fold it down. You're going to want to make sure you go all the way to the back. There we go. Well, hi. I like having mine off to the side. Now you're ready for photo time. Thanks for watching. See you out there.